Good morning students. So today we will discuss about the oxo acids of sulfur. So oxo acid, oxo means, so if you see S double bond O. So this group, if an atom will form double bond O group, so this is called oxo group. This is called oxo group. And when it has acidic proton, so this hydrogen is an acidic proton, means it can release as H plus ion. So the substance which can release H plus ion is called acid. So that's why it is called oxo, and it can release proton. This is called acid. So this is called oxo acids of sulfur. So if it is sulfur, it is called sulfur oxo acid. If it is phosphorus, then we can call oxo acids of phosphorus, like that. So here we are studying about oxo acids of sulfur. So this group you remember, oxo and acid. And here there are 4 series of oxo acids of sulfur. The first series is sulfurous acid series and sulfuric acid series, thionic acid series and peroxy acid series. You have to remember 4 series. And then first series, sulfurous acid series. This is the first series of oxo acids of sulfur. So sulfurous, As means lower oxidation state. So if oxidation state is lower, that is called As. Means sulfur is in lower oxidation state, that is called As. For example, sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid. So in sulfurous acid, sulfur is in lower oxidation state, that's why it is called sulfurous acid. So As means lower oxidation state. So the first, in this series there are 4 acids are there. The first series is sulfurous acid series. In that series there are 4 oxo acids are there. So this is the sulfurous acid. So sulfurous acid, here the formula of sulfurous acid is H2SO3. So the formula is H2SO3. So we can easily write the structure of oxo acids by knowing the formula. So just you have to remember the formula, then you can easily write. So oxo acid group means basic structure is S double bond O and here OH. So this is the basic structure of oxo acid. So this is the basic structure, S double bond O, OH. And what is remaining here? If you minus this group from this acid, so what we can get? So if you minus HSO2 group, so this is HSO2 group. So if you remove this HSO2 group, what is remained here? H and S is going and O, one oxygen is remaining. So this OH is remaining. Just put OH here. So this is the sulfurous acid structure. And you have to remember, so here sulfur valence electrons are total 6 electrons. So right, so they are 4 in participating in bond and 1 lone pair is remained. That you have to remember. So then after knowing the structure, you have to calculate oxidation state of central atom. So here sulfur is the central atom. So how we can calculate oxidation state? So oxidation state means the charge obtained on each atom in a covalent compound. So for example, here which is more electronegative in between sulfur and oxygen? Oxygen is more electronegative. If you move this bond towards oxygen, oxygen will get -1 and sulfur will get +1. And if you remove this one, this bond is oxygen is more electronegative. So this also sulfur will get +1 due to loss of bonded electron. And here 2 bonds are there. So and in between oxygen and sulfur, which is more electronegative? Oxygen is more electronegative. So if you remove these 2 bonds towards oxygen, so here how much charge will remain? Will get sulfur. So due to loss of 2 electrons, here 2 bonds are there. 1 bond means 2 electrons. So here total 2 electrons are losing, means we will get +2. So total how much charge? +1 and +2. So +4. So means this sulfur is in +4 So you have to calculate, you will be able to write the structure and you have to calculate oxidation state, and here you can calculate hybridization also. So here in this sulfurous acid, sulfur is in which hybridization state? So hybridization is equal to number of sigma bonds and plus number of lone pairs. So this you have to remember. So based on this we can get the hybridization. We can easily calculate the hybridization. Hybridization number of sigma bonds. So here how many sigma bonds are there? Single bonds are sigma bonds. So 1 and 2, and in pi bond 3. So total how many bonds are there? Sigma bonds 3. In this case 3 sigma bonds are there, and how many lone pairs are there? So 1 lone pair. 4 electrons are involved in bonding, means remaining are 2 electrons. So plus 1 lone pair. So total 4. So what is the hybridization? 4 means hybridization is the sp3 hybridization. So in this way you have to write the structure and you can calculate oxidation state and hybridization. So the next acid, thiosulfurous acid. So the first one is sulfurous acid and next one is thiosulfurous acid. So thiosulfurous acid, thio means sulfur, you know. So just in H2SO3, if you replace, okay, let us write the thiosulfurous acid structure. So thiosulfurous acid, if you remove one oxygen by sulfur, you will get thiosulfurous acid formula. So H2SO3 is a sulfurous acid, and if you remove one oxygen by sulfur, H2S2O2. So if you write the structure, just put the sulfur at the central. So and in place of oxygen here, you have to put sulfur. So only that is the difference between sulfurous acid structure and thiosulfurous acid structure. Just in place of double bond O, you put double bond S, and then OH, and then OH, and 1 lone pair will be remaining. So H2, S2, O2. So this is the thiosulfurous acid structure. So then you have to calculate oxidation state. So here 2 sulfurs are there. So for each sulfur you have to calculate oxidation state and then go to average oxidation state. So this sulfur, so this bond will remove towards oxygen and it will get +1 oxidation state. So due to loss of 1 electron. And here this electron will be more towards the oxygen and it will get +1. And then, so here both are sulfur atoms. Even though both are sulfur atoms, here hybridization of sulfur is different. So here this sulfur is in here 1 sigma bond and 2 lone pairs. So here 2 electrons are participated in bond and remaining 4 electrons will remain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here how many sigma bonds are there? 1 sigma bond. And how many lone pairs are there? 2 lone pairs. So the steric number is 3. So 3 means hybridization is sp2. Hybridization is sp2. And this sulfur is in, so here 1 lone pair, right? And how many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3. So 3 sigma bonds plus 1 lone pair. So total 4 means hybridization is sp3. So this sulfur is in sp3 hybridization and this sulfur is in sp2 hybridization. So which will have more electronegativity? sp2 hybridization having sulfur is having more electronegativity, because electronegativity is directly proportional to percentage of S character. So here in sp2 S character will be high and in sp3 S character will be low. So that's why it will attract electron pair more towards itself, and these 2 electrons will be moved towards this sulfur and this will get -2 oxidation number. So here this sulfur having -2 oxidation number, and this sulfur, so if you, so these two are going towards sulfur, means it will get +2 oxidation, and here due to this movement +1 and due to this movement +1. So total this +1, +1 and +2. So +4. So this sulfur will have +4 oxidation state. So one sulfur is in -2 oxidation state and one sulfur is in +4 oxidation state. And hybridization is, this sulfur will having sp2 hybridization and middle sulfur will having sp3 hybridization. So this is the structure, oxidation number and hybridization. And this type of pi bond is p pi d pi bond. So the type of pi bonds in these acids is p pi d pi bonds. So the next series is sulfuric acid series. So in this series, first acid is sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid, you know, the most famous acid, and here sulfuric acid formula is H2SO4. So how to write the structure? Just put S double bond O and OH first, and then after removing of this basic group, so what is remained here? OH2, sorry, HO2. So one hydrogen is remained and 2 oxygens are remained. So then put double bond O and then OH. So this is the structure of sulfuric acid. And here how to calculate oxidation state, you know. So this removal of this one will get +1 and here +1 and here +2 and here +2, +4 and +6. So the oxidation state of this sulfur is in +6 oxidation state. And then thiosulfuric acid. So in the same way we have removed in place of one oxygen sulfur. In the same way thio means sulfur. So if you put one sulfur in place of one oxygen, so you will get thiosulfurous acid. Acid is thiosulfuric acid. So just in place of one oxygen, if you put sulfur in this structure, you will get thiosulfuric acid. So you see this, just put in place of one oxygen, I am putting here sulfur, and then as it is same, double bond O, OH and OH. So this is the structure of H2S2O3 and oxidation state. So here also this sulfur is in sp2 hybridization, so it will get -2 oxidation state because of sp2 hybridization will have more percentage of S character, and this sulfur will get +2 due to this movement, and here due to this one +1 and due to this one +1 total. So plus here also these two bonds will remove towards oxygen and here +2. So total this will exhibit, this sulfur will exhibit +6 oxidation state. So this sulfur is in +6 oxidation state, this sulfur is in -2 oxidation state. So this is the structure of thiosulfuric acid. And then we go to next acid, disulfuric acid. So H2S2O7. So we can easily write this structure. So here in name only disulfuric acid. So if you write one sulfuric acid, double bond O S, double bond O OH, and here OH. So this is one sulfuric acid, and if you write another sulfuric acid here, is double bond O OH, OH, and here double bond O. So there are two sulfuric acids. Just remove this water and put the bond here. So if you remove this water and here put the bond here. So this is the pyrosulfuric acid or disulfuric acid, H2S2O7. So this is the structure of the disulfuric acid or pyrosulfuric acid. So in this there are no SS bond is there. So this is asked in your exam. So in which acid there is no SS linkage is there, they will ask and they will give options. So this is the acid where no SS linkage is there. So here the oxidation state if we calculate, so +2 and here +1 and here +2 and here +1. So +4 and +6. So sulfur is in +6 oxidation state. So this is the pyrosulfuric acid and disulfuric acid. So then the third series is thionic acid series. So in this only two acids are there, dithionic acid H2H2O6 and polythionic acid. So in dithionic acid, so here, so write the basic structure S double bond O OH, and here then link another S double bond O OH. So what is remain? So after removal of these groups means H2 H2O4. So just remove H2 H2O4 from this structure. You will get what is remain, only O2. Two oxygens are remain. Just satisfy the sulfur valency with two oxygens. So this is the structure of dithionic acid. So this sulfur is in, so here +1, +2 and +2. So this is sulfur is in +5 oxidation state. So this is also same +5 oxidation state. So if you they will ask average oxidation state, it is also 10/2 means +5 oxidation state. So this is the dithionic acid. So then polythionic acid. So this is the structure of polythionic acid. So here there are so many sulfurs are there. That's why it is called polythionic acid. This is the structure of polythionic acid. And here, so this sulfur is in same here as it is +5 oxidation state. So this is the third series, thionic acid series. Is peroxy acid series. So peroxy acid series is the last series, and here we will have only two acids, peroxy monosulfuric acid and peroxy disulfuric acid. So peroxy monosulfuric acid, how to write the structure? So just put S double bond O and OH. So then you know peroxy means O linkage is called peroxy linkage. So this linkage is called peroxy linkage. Just put O. And here what is remained? Only one hydrogen is remained, and here oxygens are 4 oxygens. So means double bond O. So this is the peroxy monosulfuric acid structure. And here, so if you see oxidation number, here -1 and +1, and here +2, and here +2, and here +1. Total sulfur oxidation state is +6 oxidation state. So and here peroxy disulfuric acid H2H2OL is the molecular formula. So H2H2OL, just you put S double bond O, OH here, and here peroxy linkage is there, and then S double bond O, OH. And what is remained? Total oxygens are 6 oxygens, means 2 oxygens are remained. Just satisfy the sulfur oxidation valency. And here this is the structure of peroxy disulfuric acid, and this sulfur is in +6 oxidation state, and this sulfur is also in +6 oxidation state, and average oxidation state is also +6. So this is about oxo acids of sulfur.